From the side of district administration of Kangra and Himachal, we express extreme grief and sorrow on the passing of Dr. Yashi Tondon, who was a great man of the Tibetan community. And in this state, in this moment of grief, we stand with the Tibetan community and express our deepest condolences. Of course, his space cannot be filled in the coming times, and we can recognize his contribution to the community in Himachal also and to the Tibetan community based here also.
Dr. Dondon was a great man. He served the humanity with the relentless commitment. Thousands of the people from all over India and from world came to him. And even at the ripe age of 93, 92, he used to see patients and many got benefited. I was earlier also a sub-divisional magistrate here, and people from President House, from Parliament, from different parts of the India, they used to visit here. And whenever we approached, he was so gracious and kind to always give audience despite having no time or despite at the last moment. And Government of India recognized his services also and was given Padam Shri. And we will always remember him in administration. Many people will always remember him for his contribution, his love for the people, his love for community. And we feel so sad today that he is no more. We wish that Lord God Almighty will give him a better life for serving more humanity in future. And his disciples will have the same commitment as he was having. Thank you.
मैं खुशबू मारीवाला हूँ, मुंबई से हूँ. डॉक्टर यशी धोंडेन के बारे में पता चला एंड आई फ्लू yesterday from Mumbai for his last ritual to pay respect to him. एंड मैं इनकी दवाइयाँ 2014 से ले रही हूँ. आई वॉज डायग्नोज्ड विद ओवेरियन कैंसर 3C और मुझे कीमोथेरेपी करने के लिए बोला था, बट आई डिडंट गो फॉर कीमोथेरेपी और तब से मैं सिर्फ इनकी दवाइयाँ ले रही हूँ एंड आई एम परफेक्टली ओके. उसके बाद मैंने कोई भी कन्वेंशनल मेडिसिन नहीं ली है. आई हैव ओनली बीन ऑन हिज मेडिसिन.
मैं हर्ष हांडा फगवाड़ा चंडीगढ़ का रहने वाला हूँ. मैं पिछले 45 साल से डॉक्टर साहब के साथ जुड़ा हूँ. पहले किसी और के लिए, फिर अपनों के लिए, अब अपने लिए. तो मतलब मेरे को तो डॉक्टर साहब से बिल्कुल पिता तुल्य प्यार मिला, आराम मिला. मेरे को जिस दिन पता चला, जिस दिन उनका स्वर्गवास हुआ, पता चला, बहुत दुख हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा दुख हुआ. आज मैं उनके अंतिम संस्कार की वजह से यहाँ.
I'm very sad. I'm crying. What can I do? I'm his patient for 13 years, and I was living in Australia. I became chronically sick, and the entire medical establishment was clueless. And when I came to Dharamsala, for Dr. Yashi Tondon, this was nothing. He was treating me, and I have improved. I'm still alive.